actions what he has made in his own thoughts. Such a beauty it is. Because he has a perfect plan towards the nature, the environment, what is necessary to the things which are on above and beneath the sea. Such a perfect view in case if the same thought would be ours, we would miss out one or the other thing where it would be or it may not be covered into our plans. But such a great God we are serving. Each and everything perfect is more perfect. If we see in Proverbs, such a beautiful thing it is that he has each and every, the smallest to smallest and the greatest to greatest thought in his mind. How, what, and what would be the necessary. The same